Hi everyone! Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making pecan sandies, buttery, nutty shortbread cookies topped with candied pecans. We're celebrating the holidays and sharing our favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Check out new recipes every day and watch till the end for a special holiday treat. Pecan sandies are buttery and crumbly like a shortbread and packed with pecans for delicious nutty flavor. The pecans are in the dough, and we top ours with candied pecans, and I'll show you how quick and easy candied pecans are to make. Okay, let me show you how to make these. First, we're going to make the candied pecans for the top of the cookies. You'll need 24 pecan halves, and I do a couple extra just in case. A tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and vanilla. Combine the brown sugar and water in a small saucepan over medium heat. Melt the brown sugar and bring the mixture to a simmer. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and stir. And then add the pecan halves. Cook these over medium-low heat and the sugar will caramelize and coat the pecans. Remove from heat and cool the pecans in a single layer on parchment paper. Okay, next for the cookies, here's everything that we'll need to make them. Brown sugar, candied pecans, and more pecans to chop for the cookies, flour, sugar, softened butter, salt, vanilla, 2 eggs, baking soda, and heavy cream. And I've listed the ingredients in the recipe in the description box below. This recipe will need 1 3/4 cups of chopped pecans. Now I'm going to give these a rough chop. Nut cookies are a lot of people's favorites during the holidays, and we've shared our Mexican wedding cookies made with walnuts. I'll link that up here for you. And these pecan sandies are so delicious. Share the nut cookies that you love in the comment section. We'd love to see what everyone's favorites are. Once your pecans are chopped, measure out 1 3/4 cup, and then we're going to toast them over medium heat in a large skillet. When they're golden and they smell nutty, this will be after about 4 or 5 minutes, they're ready. Remove them from heat and set them aside. Next, in a large bowl, measure out 2½ cups of flour, a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, and I'm going to give this a crush with the mortar and pestle and then add it to the bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then whisk the dry ingredients to combine. Next, in another large mixing bowl, add 16 tablespoons of softened butter. Beat on medium speed for about a minute, and then add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And beat this on medium speed for about 2 minutes until the sugars are well incorporated into the butter. Then add 1 egg and beat the mixture. Then add the second egg and beat the mixture to combine. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then mix well. Next, add the flour mixture. Add half of the flour mixture and then mix on medium speed, stopping to scrape the sides of the bowl, and then adding the second half, and then mix well. Scrape the sides of the bowl and add the 1 3/4 cups of chopped toasted pecans and fold them into the cookie dough. Make the cookie balls about a tablespoon in size, roll them in your hands, and place them on the parchment-lined baking sheet, at least an inch apart. Then cover the baking sheets and chill for at least an hour, and you can chill these overnight. And here's a quick peek at some of the cookies that you'll find in our Christmas cookie collection, where we're sharing 25 of our favorite holiday cookie recipes. You'll find another new recipe every day, and watch till the end for our special holiday gift to you. When the cookies are chilled, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake the cookies until they're slightly golden brown around the edges. For me, it was about 12 minutes. And then add the candied pecan to the middle of each cookie while the cookie is still warm. And let the cookies cool on the baking sheet. And here they are. They look so beautiful with the candied pecan on top. Thank you guys for watching. I've linked the playlist for all of our Christmas cookies here and in the description. You'll find new flavors and favorites, and watch all 25, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.